Weapons ready, sir. The enemy's approaching, sir. Charge!
Yes, it's fathers against sons in a tank battle like nothing you've ever seen before. With the amazing Tiger Tank, the big tank, and you control it. Forward, backward, turn, raise turret cannon aim, and fire, fire, fire!
Their tanks broke through! Move in reserve tanks! Fire!
Fire!
Quick! Our flank is collapsing!
Direct hit, he surrenders! But now, surprise! Up spring the amazing Tiger cannons, and the battle is on again. Until you win with a fantastic Tiger Tank. It's the big tank. Just look at the size. It has 3 motors, and you control it. Aim it, fire it by remote control. Get the big Tiger Tank, Tiger Cannon, and the world's bravest soldiers, Tiger!